Hi there. It's Sam the Avatar here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. Welcome to day 6 of learning how to apply the laws of power to get a competitive edge in your life. This law suggests that seeking attention and visibility is essential for achieving success and wielding influence. Specifically, the sixth law is court attention at all costs. But what does this law mean, and how can we apply it in the modern world? Simply put, attention is a valuable commodity, and those who can capture and hold it can wield significant power and influence. Whether it's in business, politics, or any other field, those who are able to get and keep the attention of others are often the ones who rise to the top. One real-life example of the power of attention can be seen in the world of social media. Imagine you are a small business owner trying to promote your products or services. By creating engaging and shareable content, and actively seeking out opportunities to gain visibility, you can attract a larger following and drive more sales. On the other hand, if you remain hidden and don't actively seek out attention, you may struggle to get noticed and grow your business. Also, think about your school or workplace. Who has most of the power? It's always the cool kids, or in the workplace, the leaders of the company. If you can be the center of attention in a positive way, people will remember what you say, follow you blindly, and admire you wholeheartedly. There's a lot of power with being the center of attention. You will most likely be nominated or awarded for things, and will also be the first to be promoted. Just remember, you never want to be in the middle of a scandal, so be careful how you go about being the center of attention. So, how can you court attention and apply this law in the modern world? Here are a few tips. Be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Seek them out and create your own. So if you're at work and you hear rumors about a new project, make sure to ask to be a part of that new project. Or if there is a topic of interest that is slacking in the workplace, come up with a system to fix the problem that anyone off of the streets can understand. Be visible. Make sure you are seen and heard by putting yourself out there and actively promoting yourself and your work. There's always stressful situations. One way to easily be visible is by being calm and staying in control of your emotions. One thing that will really put you on top is being to be able to make light of the situation and to get people motivated to become solution-oriented instead of problem-focused. Be memorable. Create a strong personal brand and stand out by offering something unique and valuable. An easy way to be memorable is to display leadership skills. People always look to a leader in the time of crisis, so make sure you position yourself as that person. Network and collaborate. Build relationships and work with others to expand your reach and gain more visibility. Don't only stick to the same 3 people you always talk to. Go to a new department, mingle with new people. Make sure you basically have at least one connection with different departments or groups of people. This will make you very memorable and can easily open new doors for yourself. It will also make you seem more approachable. Most importantly, do not forget to smile. By following these tips and applying the 6th law of power, you can increase your chances of success and maximize your influence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back tomorrow for more lessons on the laws of power. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.